Quick trip through the animal kingdom. We start you off with a damselfly. Two short clips of baby ducks in the Seekonk River. The second clip has all 7 of them with their mom. If you look carefully in the lower left, close to the center, there's a first day, a 1-day-old Fowlers Toad tadpole, just born this week. Ah, a turkey strutting through the burial ground. A slightly longer clip of a male turkey displaying. Does it this time, then turns around and does it again. And we end the trip with a bunny chowing down.